Welcome to this overview of the Bollinger Bands Limited Loss EA, created with the no-code platform FXdreema. This expert advisor is built on a combination of Bollinger Bands trading signals and strict loss control mechanisms. The strategy is designed to capture opportunities based on Bollinger Band breakouts or reversals. While ensuring that trading losses are limited to a predefined maximum per day, the logic starts by checking whether there are no existing trades and whether Bollinger Band signals align with buy or sell opportunities. When conditions are met, the EA opens new positions, applying an optional martingale multiplier to increase lot size after losses. What makes this EA unique is its limited loss feature. Unlike many martingale systems that can lead to runaway drawdowns, this EA restricts the number of consecutive losses allowed. Once the limit is hit, trading for the day stops, protecting the account from excessive exposure. The customizable parameters include initial lot size and multiplier, martingale, stop loss, SL, and take profit, TP levels, maximum allowed daily losses, server start and end time for trading sessions. In FXdreema, the structure is represented visually: trade creation, monitoring of Bollinger Band signals, loss counting, and resetting logic for the next session. This makes it clear how the EA enforces discipline while still taking advantage of BB-based trading opportunities. As with any automated trading system, especially martingale-based strategies, understanding risk is critical. Always backtest with 99.9% tick data, test on demo accounts first, and ensure you understand the strategy before using it live. This video is part of the playlist Build a Forex EA Robot, No Code FXdreema, on the channel Mqlrobot EAS. Thank you for watching, and I hope this explanation helps you better understand how the Bollinger Bands Limited Loss EA is structured.